Hello, I'm Michael Gaucher, and I write extensively on Quora, or at least I did for many years. And I'm a top Quora writer for 2016 and 2018. And one of the articles that I wrote was C++ versus Java versus Python. Who will win? And so I had disengaged from Quora for quite a while, but I noticed over the last couple of weeks increased interest in some of the posts that I've written. And I noticed something very peculiar on October 22nd. And that was the views on my posts were greater than 47,000. And one of the main posts is C++ versus Java versus Python. Who will win? Are you curious? Well, take this journey with me and let's find out. So, C++ versus Java versus Python. Who will win? It starts with I ask each programmer to make me a program for something I need. The Python programmer finishes first, and their program does what I need. I have no choice but to dismiss the other two. The program needs to do a lot more, and the Python programmer is starting to turn out more bugs, and the program is taking increasingly longer to improve. I find a Java programmer and they bring structure and the expanded capabilities of the Java platform. The Java and Python programmers form a partnership in which the Python programmer does the UI and the Java programmer sets up the back end. Everything's going great. As fortune would have it, the improved programs have resulted in more people using the system. Unfortunately, between my budget for more hardware and the Java programmer's capabilities to squeeze more out of the platform, things are kind of at a standstill. At the same time, a requirement has developed to begin integrating the program with less conventional hardware sensors. I find a top-notch C++ developer. This person's been around a long time. He proves to me that not only can he solve the user traffic issue, but can do it at a fraction of the amount of software previously written. This person leads the team and takes the programs to their zenith level, and now things are better than ever. That is the world of C++ versus Java versus Python. We now see the winner. What do you think? I've put a link to the original article in the description and the comments. Feel free to check it out and weigh in either way. Thank you for watching and listening, and I will catch you later.